This video is going to show you how to download and install Putty. So I'm going to go to the putty.org page, click here for the downloads. I have a 64-bit system, so I'm going to choose the 64-bit one. I'm going to save this to my Putty folder that I have. So now I'm going to click on that. Now the screen's going to go blank in just a little bit, because I need to override the standard user that I am to allow it to actually install. So finished. So now we will go here to Putty, and there we have it. So I'm going to pin PuttyGen, Putty, and Pageant to my start screen. I'm going to move those down here. And that is how you install Putty.